Hello my fellow designers, what we are going to do is this beautiful business card. I want you to share this tutorial for your colleagues to know about this channel. Let's begin our work. We are starting with the title. And for the unit, let's choose inches. The standard size is 3.5 inches by 2 inches in a landscape form. If you want to print, you can increase the resolution to about 1000 for quality image. Let's create. Let's take the rectangle tool and draw our rectangle. Let's change the color by choosing this gradient. Double click on the first handle and let's use this code. Click OK. Also double click on the second handle and type this code. Click OK. Choose linear and the angle, let's make it 45. Take the rectangle tool and let's draw the shape at the bottom. This one too, let's change the color. Choose gradient. Double click on the first handle and then type this. Click OK. Double click on the second handle and type also this. OK. And the angle, let's make it 0 degrees. Now import the logo of the company. Then you can drag and drop into the project. Select the logo layer and come to the image tab. Come to adjustment and then choose hue and saturation. Come to the lightness and drag the slider to the right side to make our logo pure white. Click OK. Take the type tool and type the name of the company. After typing, resize and position your text. The font we are using is Adam CG. And let's choose a sample color from here. You can also use this code. Now select this shape and press Ctrl J or Command J on Mac to duplicate the layer. Select the layer below and come to Properties. Let's change the color to pure white. After that, select the layer and use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move that layer upwards. Okay, let's start with the front side of the business card. Come to File and let's create a new document. Let's give it this title: Business Card Front. With the same size, click Create. Choose the rectangle tool and add rectangle to our document window. Let's change the color. Choose gradient. We are using the black and white gradient. Click here and choose radar. That is the second option. Then click here to invert the colors. Come to the scale and type in 700. Take the rectangle tool and let's put our shape right here. Click on this point to activate the borders. After that, right-click inside the shape and choose Warp. Hold the Shift key while you drag the middle to the left. Okay. Then bring the cursor outside the shape until the cursor changes. Drag to the left to rotate the shape. Drag the borders to resize the shape. Okay, come to the layer panel and press Ctrl J or Command J to copy the layer. Select the one below. And let's drag that shape to the right to rotate it. Select the shape and come to the layer style and choose Gradient Overlay. You will still find the gradient we set for the previous shape, so just click OK. Check the description and download these icons. Highlight them all and drag and drop them into the project. Let's resize these icons. And position them right here. Let's add a drop shadow to the white email icon. Pick the rectangle tool and let's put a line right here. and let's give it an orange color by taking a sample color from here. Time to add your text and details. Let's copy the logo from the back. And place it here and have it resized. Also, let's copy our email from here and place it at the back. And let's make the color white. Now your card is ready to be saved, both front and back. Thanks for watching this video. I want you to subscribe and also share these videos for your colleagues to know about this channel. Thank you very much. See you again in the next tutorial. Stay creative.